Okay.
Hello, this is Chef Rohan. I'm from France, and today I'm in the Danson's headquarters in Netherlands, And during 4 days, I will cook for our dealers or customers. And you have seen on my social networks, on the Danson social network, you have seen the recipe of the pork sirloin grilled with peach and rosemary. A lot of people ask me to get the recipe, so I will do it tomorrow for the customer, and I will prepare it live right now with you. The first thing to do for this recipe is the marinade. For the marinade, we need some peach tea, some brown sugar, some salt, black pepper, some rosemary, fresh rosemary of course, and some garlic. Here I will cook for 20 people, so of course the quantities are not the same, but I will put the full recipe and all the ingredients in the video here and there. Okay, so let's go. First thing to do, we need to chop the rosemary and add the tea, the garlic, the salt, and the brown sugar, and that's it. The meat will stay in the fridge for 10 to 12 hours. 12 hours is better. The longest is always the better. Okay, so let's go.
Yes.
Okay, now the meat has marinated the whole night in the fridge, so we still have two things to do. The first thing is to make the rub for the meat, to grill the meat, and the second thing is a finishing sauce that we will do with peach preserves, some olive oil, some vinegar. I will show you that immediately. The first thing is the rub. For the rub, you will need black pepper, garlic salt, some ancho powder, chili powder, but if you don't find that, it's not an issue. You can use smoked paprika and put some cayenne pepper to get some heat. We need some ground mustard and some brown sugar. Okay, the recipe is in the description. Now the last thing to prepare is the finishing sauce. So we will need some peach preserve, some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, some garlic, and some more rosemary that I will chop right now. Now we will put everything in that finishing sauce in the plate, and the secret of this recipe is to grill the meat directly over the flames. And after maybe 5 or 6 minutes per side, we will put the meat back in the finishing sauce, and we will grill the meat again over the flames on the grate. Okay, we will do that maybe 4 or 5 times, so the sauce will really stick the meat and get a wonderful flavor to the meat. You have to try this, absolutely. Okay, let's go. now we will grill the meat directly over the flame. So now the last step is that technique. You put the meat back in the finishing sauce and then back on grate, and you do that until the meat is really cooked at 65, 68 Celsius degrees.